Hi, I'm Sandra Gailey with the Jason Whittle All-Pro team, and I'm so excited to share with you today a new listing in Royale Palms Condominiums in Camdenton. This complex is known for being extremely well maintained and managed. The condos don't come up often and they don't last long, and the unit I'm going to share with you today is completely updated. It's top floor, so you have incredible views, but no worries of stairs because the front door is right by the elevator. Let's go take a look inside. As soon as you walk into this condo, you will appreciate all of the quality of updates here. All new paint throughout, LVP flooring, you've got a large dining space, and the kitchen is completely updated. Custom cabinetry, new quartz countertops, a large stainless sink, and matching stainless appliances. The updates are incredible. This master suite is so inviting as well. It's very spacious, has an incredible view of the main channel and the attached master bath, as well as the guest bath. Both have updated LVP flooring, custom cabinets topped with the same quartz countertops as in the kitchen, vessel sinks, and all new shower and bath surround. So if you appreciate the quality of this condo and you're ready to make it yours, give us a call at 1-800-836-2005 or check us out at jasonwhittle.com. We'll take care of you. Thanks so much for watching.